Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of organization with the 6-pack extra large wire storage baskets, perfect for decluttering your home with style and efficiency. These versatile baskets come in 3 different sizes, including 2 extra large, 2 extra large, and 2 medium, allowing you to customize your storage needs with dimensions ranging from 15.6 by 11.2 by 6 inches for the largest to 11.2 by 8.7 by 4.7 inches for the medium. Crafted from high-quality steel wire with a premium powder coating, these baskets are not only sturdy but also resistant to rust and corrosion, making them ideal for any room in your home, from the kitchen and pantry to the bathroom and garage. Whether you're organizing snacks, drinks, and canned goods in the kitchen or towels and cosmetics in the bathroom, these baskets offer a practical solution to keep your space tidy and accessible. The easy grip handles make it a breeze to pull them out from shelves, while the option to create your own DIY label cards adds a personal touch to your organization system. Perfect for any occasion, these baskets are a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their storage space and keep their home looking neat and organized. So, if you're ready to transform your living space, these wire storage baskets are the perfect addition to your home organization toolkit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.